Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a super sweet way to store your shoes inside your home? This beautiful shoe cabinet from Wanttii is a really pretty accent piece that can also function to hold your shoes. The piece took about 20 to 30 minutes to put together, and I pretty much did all of it completely by myself. It's a lightweight, narrow piece flush to the wall. However, it feels very sturdy and it holds up to about 80 pounds of weight. The piece itself has beautiful rattan on both of these holders that when you open them, they really nicely hold your shoes. So you can fit about 10 pairs of shoes in here depending on the shoe size. I found that anything over size 12 really does not fit well unless you put it sideways. So if you want to get a few pieces in here, then you definitely want to go with a smaller size shoe. You have the option to put in a second row in one of your shelves so you can add in even more shoes. The piece has space underneath, and the sweetest part is that it has this really cute shelf in between, and it has an option to add a plug at the top. So you have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, which is really nice because if you had this right on the inside of your front door or wherever you come into your home, you can easily just put your keys and your phone right there and charge it up. It's really lovely and it's such a great piece. I love the decor of it. It's very nice looking and it's nice and sturdy and functional. And that's my point of view.